let's make a swipe. Let's use Golden Phthalo Turquoise. This is one of my favorite colors. I do want a lot of that. And then Yellow Green. I think this is by Amsterdam. And some Magenta by Liquidix, Quin Magenta. And let me put a little more on that. A little bit 24 karat gold. And some Pebeo green blue. This is a fun color. All right, we're going to use oxide black for the cell activator. Okay. Okay, nice and slow. Some nice colors going there. Let me okay. Gonna do a little bit of doodling. Okay, shall we spin it? Let's spin it out. Slow it first. Popping those, trying to get rid of those white bubbles that come up. This one's hard to do. Come on. Okay. There we go. Let's see what I like to do. Add a little more interest. Wipe off your skewer when you do that. Let's see, which way do I want to go? let's see. Sometimes I'm not sure exactly which way to make it go. Let's make it go this way. Hopefully, as I spin it out, it's not going to make it all go wonky, but we'll see. It's looking very pretty, I think. Just kind of go with the curve. That might come off. Okay, do I want to do anything else? I don't think so. Well, let's see. This is feeling like it needs something. A little bit more here, just to accentuate. There. Are we done yet? Lucy, are we done? I think we are. All right, that was fun. Let's spin it. I'm gonna spin it slowly. We have to get enough paint off. So it dries nicely. It's looking beautiful. Yeah, I like it. That's looking pretty. I'm gonna test it and see if there's enough, if I've taken off enough paint. I think I have. Really don't want to lose anything else. I think I'm happy with this. I really like the contrast of these colors here with these. This kind of blends a little too much for my liking, but I must say I think it's very beautiful. Take a look. What do you think? It's fun. It's fun. Let me just doodle around. I usually don't do it on these thin boards, but I was running low on these thin ones. Okay. I'll get you down for a close-up, okay?